Hello and welcome to today's video. Fatima the Camel and I are glad that you decided to join us. Yes, Ann and I are excited to see you here. We have the Allure Box from March. And let's jump on in and see what we have in the box from Allure for March. Yes, the excitement is killing me. Will you hurry up? First up is a lifting, curling, and volumizing mascara from Tarte. This is the Man-Eater Mascara. I'm not going to dig into it yet. We want to see what other mascaras come in this month, and then I'm going to decide which ones to hang on to and which ones will go into the box for Find a New Home. In other words, gift, giveaway, or donation. Next up from Belif is a hydrating lip cream. This is a sample size. Don't let the package fool you. It's not quite as big as the outside part will look. I'm excited to get to try this. It's supposed to be hydrating without being overly heavy on your lips. I'm currently trying a Belif product for, I think it has vitamin C in it. It's a brightening cream, and I'm very pleased with that one. So I'm excited to get another sample size of a Belif product. Mud Masky has given us an eye serum. This is a full-size product, and it has a lot of vitamins in it. This is an under-eye serum, and it says that it has vitamins C, A, B, D, K, F, and E. That sounds like the entire alphabet. Almost. We are halfway through the box, and my two favorite picks so far are the Belif Lip Balm and the Mud Masky product. Give us a comment down below. What have you seen so far that you like? And now, moving along with the video, from Mielle, we have an organic mint and rosemary hair serum. This is for strengthening your hair and for helping your scalp. I'm excited to give this one a try, and I think there's a few other family members around the house here that might also be my guinea pig in testing this one out. I've taken a sniff, and yes, you can smell the rosemary, but it's not enough to knock you into the next room. Next up is a hand and body cream. This is a goat milk based product, and the scent or the component on this one is honey and milk. And it does have a safety seal. I've been able to get a little sniff of it through the safety seal. It smells very nice, so I'm excited about this one. It is a non-greasy formula for soothing and softening your skin. This is from Coats, and I hope I said that right. My apologies if I did not. This is a tinted SPF sunscreen. It has an SPF of 50. I'm curious to see how this works. This is a mineral-based sunscreen. I don't think I've ever tried one of those before, so we shall see how that works out. I'm curious to see if it feels heavy on my skin when I get a little perspiration, because sometimes that can cause me other skin aggravations. But I'm glad to get a sample of this product. Never heard of this brand, and glad to see some products with an SPF coming along. Yes, I know we're supposed to wear SPF all the time. Well, who said I follow directions all the time? Nice to see some SPF items showing up as we're heading into spring and summertime months. And from the sponsor of the box, we have something from Cetaphil. This is a deep hydration, skin restoring water gel. So this ought to be an interesting little one to try. And I'm looking at it in the ring light. It looks like it's a pretty full sample. So that's always nice when a sample size is actually on the full side. So in this half of the box, I think we are most excited to get the goat milk hand and body lotion and the hair product with the mint and the rosemary. So if you haven't done so already, comment down below with your favorite item thus far. And now moving along with the video. So now moving along to the nitty-gritty of things, you mean the pricing. I mean the pricing. One of the nice things I like about the Allure Box is they send us a little pamphlet that tells us about the items in their box, has a very nice person on the front of it, and it tells us that the Man-Eater mascara was full size and it has a retail of $25. The Belief lip mask was a sample size. Full size would be $22. The Mud Masky eye serum is full sized and it has a retail of $63. Yep, eye creams are expensive. The hair product, the rosemary and mint scalp and hair treatment oil, that is $9.99 for 2 ounces, which honestly, I think that's a rather reasonable price. Yes, that does seem reasonable. The goat milk cream for hand and body is a sample size that we got. Full size would be $12 for 3.3 ounces. What else was there? There was a sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen. What we were given was a sample size. The full size is $27.50. And then we got the sample size of the Cetaphil. The full size would be 1.7 ounces for $27.99. So all things considered, I think this was a well-stocked box, a nice balance as usual of sample and full-size products. This box is currently $23 a month and you're guaranteed 6 items, with 3 of them being full size and 3 of them being sample size. And sometimes we get the extra sample size of a sponsor for the box. As I said, this box is $23 a month. This is the March box. Starting in April, Allure is having to do a price increase, which does not surprise me. I think basically every box has had to increase prices for one reason or another, whether it's obtaining the items or shipping. I think that's just something to expect across the board. So they will be having a $2 increase. So right now I'm paying $23, and after I pay my tax, this comes out to be around $25, which is quite reasonable. So adding $2 more to that really is still, I think, within a reasonable pricing amount. They will be having some specials from what I am seeing, that you can sign up for paying 3 months at a time and you get a discount, or you can sign up for a year at a time and get a bigger discount. So that is something that we are considering. One thing I did take a look at, and just as a heads up for whether you're going to do monthly or a longer subscription term, you need to call them. Their phone number is listed inside the front cover of the brochure that they send. You need to call them to cancel your subscription. And the cancellation will then take place the month after you notify them. So something to keep in mind, just as a little heads up. I'm not planning on canceling. At this stage of the game, I'm still very pleased with what I am receiving. Yes, we are very happy with this box. So, as the old saying goes, like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'd love to have you come back for a future video. We get into all kinds of adventures over here. Oh yes, we certainly do. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and we do hope to see you again in a future video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.